Hi everyone, today we have Ayushi Agarwal from Samandar Education. So she is currently studying in UMKC, which is University of Missouri, Kansas City, and she's doing a master's in accounting and analytics. I remember I placed her in KPMG 2.5 years back. She did work in KPMG in the US tax for 2.5 years. She is pursuing her master's. She got her job also here. So Ayushi secret क्या है? मतलब everywhere you are cracking the jobs at Samandar. So what is one advice you would want to give to the students straight away leaving India and coming to the US? What is one tip which you want to give to them? How is Ayushi cracking the jobs?
What the basic thing which worked for me is like I have worked in the Big Four. So here just don't want usual like kind of a students or the ones which don't have much experience. So the thing is that to get a thing over here, it's like you should be having an experience in some exposure in that field. And basically Big Four played a big
Basic. So I think the Big Four tagged. So I remember I was interviewing Ujala also, and she said she was not Big Four. But in your case, so what all it helped, like placing you in KPMG? I think what all you learned from this?
what I usually told us to work a lot.
So Big Four tells you to work a lot, but I think with working a lot, you get a lot of exposure.
It's true. Like I worked, like basically I worked there from the starting to the end process also over there. And with Ujala, what the main difference is that she got an exposure over here in UMKC because UMKC has provided most of the practical knowledge over here with the coursework. Like they have helped us in taxation preparation, and the one with the block consulting team over here, in which she is working with most of the small clients.
And you also mentioned about the QuickBooks training also.
So the audit professor over here is providing the training and all.
It's brilliant stuff, right? People who are watching us, I mean, QuickBooks training is fantastic because this is one skill which they ask a lot. I think the practical skill, now that I think Kapil was mentioning when we all were talking that we also brought that practical US tax, I think because everyone is looking for more practical stuff.
Yeah.
And this is a very good sign that you already have some sort of experience. So before you come in here to the US, guys, at least do the practical US tax course of Samandar Education or get placed by us in some Big Four, like I placed Ayushi in KPMG back, and she's still not completed CPA. So she got in the US now and happily placed now, and I was just pushing her to finish CPA now for sure. But I myself in this university. So Ayushi, tell me like, how is the curriculum? How are the people over here at UMKC? How difficult it was to leave the family and come back, like come from India to the US now?
So it's a lot difficult for me because I am the person who like to go home even when I was working in India, I went to I usually go in a month or 2 months over there. So for me it's difficult because we can't go every 1 or 2 months or back to India, but still with friends, with connections, we can manage over here.
Okay, so now I'll ask a very selfish question. How was Samandar in this entire process? I know the placement and all. So back in India, how was Samandar, and back in the US, how Samandar helped you transition from local to global?
So for me, Samandar played a huge role because I was doing the CA intermediate, and then CPA came into the picture. Then I got into the Samandar Education, and through that I got a job into KPMG. And then again, after a few years, I got an opportunity with the US. So Samandar played a huge role in my life.
Okay, so the Changing Lives for Better is Samandar Education title. She was pursuing CA Inter, dropped it off, did a job at KPMG, got good experience, moved to the US. Everything is working in Ayushi's favor. So, but Ayushi, one thing which you want to give to the CA aspirants and to the students who are watching you today and become like Ayushi. So, what is one good point which you want to give them so that they are very confident and they can also become like you?
I think don't become like me, because the thing is that you should complete CA. You should not drop it out in between. But if you are not able to do it, then CPA is a better choice to go for it.
Because I'm a chartered accountant and CPA myself, so she just can't tell that drop CA. So I think CA and CPA both are good, but in case if you're not able to crack, I think that's not the end of the life. There are different qualifications, you can move abroad, You'll get a cultural experience. So, did you make any friends at UMKC? Like Ujala said, you had a lot of American friends. So you try to,
In our class only we do have like a lot of Americans. So through that we get to know all of them, and we do have a group projects over here, so we will meet and discuss. So through that we will make friends only.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much, Ayushi. It was great, guys. And please do kind of follow Ayushi and follow them on LinkedIn and keep getting the mentoring and the guidance. Thank you so much.
Thank you.